Ceramic magnets. Applications and uses. This video takes an in-depth look at ceramic magnets and their use. You will learn more about topics such as what is a ceramic magnet, how ceramic magnets are made, types of ceramic magnets, uses for ceramic magnets, and much more. Chapter 1. What is a ceramic magnet? Chapter 2. How ceramic magnets are made. Making ceramic magnets. Step-by-step manufacturing process. Calcining step. Milling process, pulverization, and particle size reduction. Slurry preparation. Compacting, pressing, and alignment. Sintering. Machining and finishing. Coating, plating, and surface protection for ceramic magnets. Nickel, copper, nickel. Epoxy. Zinc. Polytetrafluoroethylene. Gold. For engineers, designers, and procurement teams. Chapter 3. What are the different types of ceramic magnets? Ceramic magnet types. Hard ceramic magnetics. Moment magnets. Permanent ceramic magnets. Piezo-magnetic ceramic magnets. Soft magnets. Spin ceramic magnet. Frequently asked questions. What is a ceramic magnet? How are ceramic magnets manufactured? What are the main types of ceramic magnets? In which industries are ceramic magnets used? Why choose ceramic magnets over natural or rare earth magnets? Are ceramic magnets suitable for use in humid or harsh environments? Chapter 4. What are some common uses for ceramic magnets? Ceramic magnets uses. Speakers. Direct current motors. Magnetic resonance imaging. Small motors. Chapter 5. What are the different grades of ceramic magnets? Ceramic magnets grades. Grade C1. C5 or Y30 magnets. C8 magnets. Grades of ceramic magnets. Chapter 6. How do ceramic magnets generate magnetic fields? Magnetic fields in ceramic magnets. Chapter 7. What are the benefits of ceramic magnets? Ceramic magnets benefits. Low cost. Magnetism. Corrosion resistance. Magnetization. Multiple poles. Shapes. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right ceramic magnet manufacturers for your needs.